Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to increase Google Chrome's download speed. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. This video is gonna be really short and pretty much straightforward. You won't have any troubles changing this setting. And in this video I will show you only one setting on how to speed up Google Chrome's download speed. So yeah, let's start. First of all, you will need to open Google Chrome, of course, and type here in the URL Chrome, and I think this here is called curl, I'm pretty sure, choose slashes and flags, and it will take you to this page. And here, searching the search flags, parallel, and as you can see here, parallel downloading. Change that. By default it's going to be default, change that to enabled, and as it says here, enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. As it says here, you can do this on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS and Android. I do not think you can do this on your iPhone, but as it says, you can do this as well on your Android phone. I won't show you how to do it on your phone, it's the same thing. And after you have changed your setting, click relaunch now. And I'm pretty sure it will increase your speed by 25% I think, or 50%. And yeah, that's the video guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry if this was really short, but I don't have many ideas to be honest. And yeah, if you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. But for this video you won't have any problems. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.